523. $524. Who would have guessed? Oh, cut off a pedestrian. Number 536. I like how he was patient enough for the light, but cut you off. So something just happened out towards Spring Creek. They just turned onto Main, South Main there. Something happened out there. Sure, we're about to hear a lot more sirens, but that's just not pleasant. Anyway, they should have had their lights on if they wanted to do what they did. Car 536 just cutting off the pedestrian when he gets his right to walk.